Okay, so problem 3, or problem 4 is a very interesting problem. You can do this problem very easily by using the principle of superposition. There is no need to go through and make cuts here and find all your reactions because you've already done all the components for this problem. In problem 1, we looked at this case. In problem 2, we looked at this case. Do you guys agree that if I just add these two triangles together, I'll get a rectangle? In number 3, we did a rectangular case on the top. Let's agree that this is really just, this is 2W. This one's W. All I need to do is double the forces on here, and that'll give me what I got here. So basically, this is like Professor Letchford's dirty little secret. He gave you 6 problems, and really you only had to do 3 of them. Or I guess 4 of them technically. This is 2W. This is W. Maybe then I could just draw. If I cut this in half, that's really like saying this one plus this one. And if I do that, I'm really saying is that this one problem is actually equal to plus, or this is times 2, because it's twice this. This is from number 3. Plus this one. In other words, if this is diagram 4, this is diagram 1, this is diagram 2, the actual moment diagrams, or the actual equations, A4 is going to equal 2A1 plus A2 plus A3. These are the diagrams. These are 2V1 plus V2 plus V3. And M4 equals 2M1 plus M2 plus M3. Now there is a caveat. You must have the same reactions, which we do in this case. You must have the same lengths, which we do in this case. And if you're going to add the equations together, your x forces, your forces must, if you're going to add the equations together, the diagrams, this doesn't matter, but if you're adding the equations together, you must have started from the same side in every case. If you're adding the diagrams together, that does not apply. And I think you're really only asked to find the diagrams. So everything works out in the end. And I have a gigantic grin on my face because I did this one. I should have done this one. I should have done this one from here. I didn't do that, but it's okay. Professor I was looking over the instructions for the problem, and he covered for my mistake, so that is good. Okay, so that is problems number 4 and 5. Because number 5 is really the same thing if I just go this way. I don't know if you can see the outline here, but it looks quite similar. The reactions are the same. Anyway, one last problem.